Having watched the previous few videos, hopefully you'll now see that creating scripts and formulas in Optuma is not as difficult or as daunting as you had thought. And we try to make it even easier by creating what we call smart conditional operators. Now, a conditional operator, also known as a Boolean, will give true or false results to your formula. So this is required for things like scans or a show bar tool that we see on the screen, where it will be highlighted or scan results will be returned only when certain conditions have been met. So for this example on the show bar, I'm going to right click on any one of those arrows, go to the properties icon and open up the script editor. And you can see here that the formula being used is where the closing price is greater than the 13-period exponential moving average. And wherever that's true, the candle will be highlighted with that green arrow. And you can see on the right hand side there, whenever the candle is above the blue line, the condition is true, and so the bar is highlighted. But let's say instead of simply greater than, I just want to know when the closing price crosses above that moving average. So in other words, the day before it was below the moving average, but the current bar, or today, it crosses above and closes above the moving average. So close, and we simply type crosses above, and you can, or crosses, and you can see we've got three options there. We have above, below, and then simply crosses, which is either direction. But I'm going to choose crosses above, and then I'm going to complete the rest of the formula for my moving average. So this is a 13 exponential based on the close, and click apply. And you can see now that the only green arrows that appear on the chart are when the previous bar, the close was below the blue line, and the highlighted bar is where the close is now above it. Another example of a smart operator is up or is down, and that will compare the previous value of your tool or indicator with the current value, and if it's higher then it's true for is up, or if you're selected is down, it will be true if it's lower. So let's add a column here to this watch list. So I'm going to click the plus button on the watch list there, select new script column. So let's say I want to know if my moving average is sloping up, so in a positive trend. So I'm going to type MA for moving average, bars, I'm going to do a 50 simple based on the close. And I'm simply going to type is up, and you can see the options there, is up, is down, or is the same. I'm going to select is up, and that's it. That's all you have to type. And so you can quickly see there that in that true false column, which stocks have a positive slope on their 50-period moving average. One last smart operator example I will show you is called turns up, turns down, or simply turns. So this is another show bar formula that I have here. I'm going to right click on that arrow, again go to the properties, and this is highlighting at the moment where the 5-period RSI crosses the 50 level. But instead I want to know when it turns up. So I start typing turns, and there you see turns up, and I click apply, and now all those arrows highlight when the RSI below the chart there has turned up from a low. So if we zoom in, and I'm going to turn on my crosshair here, so in fact that very last bar, you can see it that has been highlighted because the previous day the RSI turned up from that low. So therefore it's been highlighted on the show bar. And similarly, if we look back here, that bar is turned up from that low, and so on. So three examples there: the cross is above, below, and is up, is down, and also turns up, turns down. Makes it very easy to determine certain conditions, and makes for easy scanning formulas to highlight any potential opportunities for you.